Hello everyone, welcome back to Kodex Academy. Have you ever thought the computer can recognize your face and take selfie automatically? Yes, in the race playground by using Selfie Detector extension that is possible. With the help of Selfie Detector extension, the camera can detect your face and respond to it, and you can create amazing project like AI photo booth and different game which is more interactive and smart using AI technology. Yes, so today we are going to learn about selfie detector extension in Race Playground. So, are you ready? But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your family and friend, and let's start learn amazing extensions with us. Okay. So first I'll open Google and here I will type Race Playground. Okay, it's here. Yes, and now I'm going to click on this first link, open in new tab. This is the home screen of Race Playground, and now I'm going to click on Open Playground. Yes, so this is our Race Playground. In the previous sessions, if you have seen, we have discussed about multiple extensions like body movement extension, face movement extension, and hand movement extension, right? And also we have discussed about teachable machines, table extensions. When you will follow us, you will learn about all the extensions thoroughly, right? So now in this video, we are going to discuss about selfie detector extension, and we'll learn how the computer, by using AI technology, it can take our selfie and we can use our face in our amazing projects, right? So now without wasting time, I'm going to click on add extension, and you can see there are multiple extensions are open, and now I'm going to click on selfie detector. Okay, yes, you can see there are multiple blocks belongs to the selfie detector extension are available on screen. You can see over here, set video to 0% transparent, set video feed to on, and if you click on drop down, you can see on, off and on flip, right? And the next one, set selfie image as costume, or also you can set mode to mask or color, right? And the next block is set echo sound. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever the echo count you can want to set, you can set over here. Set fill color to and set processing rate to 10, and there are multiple options. Whatever processing rate you want to set, you can set over here. And the next one is turn processing on and off. Okay, now we are going to use these blocks. Then we are able to understand how we can create amazing projects by using these blocks. Okay, so first you will see to set video to 0% transparent. I will take this block. Okay, and now if I'll make it instead of 0, 50%. Okay, and now click on this block, then you will see the effect. You can see my face is not become blur, only my background it become blur. Its transparency become 50% as compared to the previous one, right? Okay, now I'm going to delete this sprite. I don't want this sprite. Okay, and now I'll take this block again, and here I will set 50%, and just the same effect you will see because already my background is blur. Now suppose instead of 50 I will make it 100. Okay, you can see my background is completely white, 100% transparent, right? So here if you have seen our previous video, you have seen whenever we have set 100%, the complete screen become white. But in the selfie detector, your body parts like face, hand, that will not get transparent, only the background become transparent, right? So that is the difference between body sensing, face sensing, hand sensing and selfie detector, right? Now if I'm going to use this block, second one, set video feed to on as a video on, right? Now if I'll make it off, okay, now you can see if I'm moving, my video is off and my expression is get paused, right? If I'll make it on and if I'll click on again, you can see again video is on, right? So this is used to set video feed to on and off. If you want to make your video off, you can do it. If you want to make your video on, you can do it. And if you want to flip, you can do it. Like if I'll click on flip, you can see, okay, now I'll make it on and you can see it's become on. So it's up to your choice when you want to make it off, when you want to flip it, when you make it on. So you can do with the help of this block. Okay. Now we are going to use set selfie image as a costume. Okay. Now you can see if I click over here, you will see because here I have not select any sprite. So instead of costume, that selfie is clicked as my backdrop. Do you want to see the effect? Like I will click over here. Okay. Now you can see one picture of my face is select as a backdrop. Do you want to see where it is? I click on the backdrop. You can see this is plain backdrop and this one is my selfie back, right? Okay. And if you want to make your costume, that also you can do it. How? Just choose one sprite. I'll select any sprite. Okay, I'll select this banana and I'll take this block again and I will take when green flag click. Okay. And now if I click on the green flag, okay, you can see this is the costume has been created. If you want to make it size small, you can do it. Like I will make it 10. This is my face at size 10, right? Is it so funny? Yes. And it's really interesting while you are going to make any amazing project like AI photo booth or different other animations you can create by using this selfie detector. You can see my face is also showing backside. Why? Because this is the backdrop. If you want to change the plain backdrop, just go to the backdrop and select this one and then you can see it's not here, right? And this coding is on the backdrop, so that's why it's showing over on the screen. So you can use your selfie as backdrop also and you can create your selfie as costume as well. Here you can see and you can use it as a costume. Now if you want to create more costumes, that also possible here. Just you need to click on the green flag again and again and on the basis of that multiple costumes will be created. Okay, like I'll just click over here. Okay, next. So multiple selfies you can click with the help of this block. And do you want to see all the costumes? Okay, I'll click on the costume and you can see there are multiple images. Click, right? Okay, so here you can use this set selfie image as a costume block and you can use your face as costume as well. Okay, now you can see the next block is set mode to mask. What is the sense of that? If you click on this drop down, color and mask. Mask means your face, okay? And the color means that particular color you want to show on screen instead of your face, right? Suppose I will click over here, it will click your face. So you can see on costume, this selfie has been clicked. Now I will change set mode to color. Okay, now you will see it will not show my face. Instead of that, it will covered by one color. Oh, it's become fully black, right? It's not showing your face, but according to that, it will take the selfie of the particular color where you will move. Okay, like this. And if you want to click the selfie of this, you can click. Okay, and now you can check in your costume. You can see it's look quite scary, right? Okay, and here there is also option you can change the color. Okay, do you want to see the effect? Okay, it's become green. And here if you want to create a costume of this color, you can do it. Okay, now you'll check the costume has been created. Okay, now the next one is set echo count. What is the sense of this? You can see the set's echo count is 0, right? Now if I'll move, you can see It's moving simply, right? Instead of that, I will make it mask. Then you can see easily how it will work. Okay. And now when I move, you cannot see any kind of effect at my backside, right? But when I'm going to increase the set echo count and I will make it 10. And now if I'll click on the green flag, you will see the count effect, right? Isn't it amazing, right? You can see how 10 different selfies are moving according to me, right? And if you want to make it more, make it 100 and then you will see the effect. So many selfies, right? Yes, it's really amazing effect. When you use in your project, definitely you will enjoy, right? So if I'll make it 0, I'll click on the green flag and now you will see, right? So if you can set the echo count according to your wish to make the amazing effect in your games and animations, right? Now we are going to use the another block, that is set processing rate to 10 FPS. What is the mean of FPS? FPS means frame per second. How many frames you want to create per second? You can create with the help of this block. But here is a possibility. If you want to create more frame, so definitely it will create more effective animation. But if you will create less frame like 2 or 3, so it saves the system power. So it's up to you. If you will click on this drop down, you can see there are option of 1, 2, 10, 30, 60. Optimum you can set 30. If I'll set my processing rate up to 30 FPS means frame per second, so it will give good animations. If I will make it 1 or 2, so definitely the processing become quite slow, but it saves the energy of system. But if you want to create good graphic effect, so you can set up to 60 also, but 30 is good to create more smooth and faster detection of your face. So we can select 30. Here the computer can easily detect 30 faces per second. So according to that, you can give the effects in your project, right? Okay, now we are going to discuss about the last block of selfie detector. Here it's very simple. Turn processing on or off. If you want to make it off the processing, like here we have set the processing rate 30 frames per second. If you want to make it off, you can do it. If you want to make it on, you can do it. Like here it's on right now. Now if I'll make it off and if I'll click on the green flag, stop. It's turn off the processing, right? And if I'll make it on, then again it start processing, and here we have set the processing rate 30 frames per second, so it will detect the 30 images per second to give the smooth and faster detection. So this is all about the selfie detector extension, where you can use your face as costume and also as backdrop and create multiple amazing projects like AI photo booth and other animations by using these blocks in your project. I hope you like and understand this video. If you like, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.